What's up, guys? Welcome to the Wilson's Way.
All right, today we going on a little adventure.
We're taking the boys and Bella to the beach. Oh, y'all haven't met Bella. Okay, go get Bella. No, Jace, go get Bella.
We're gonna let y'all meet Bella.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna show y'all the backyard. We've been doing some stuff
Put your
back there. I'm
tablet
trying
down
to show
there.
y'all for a minute. Look at him. Yeah, like early this morning.
Too early. I swear, it's 8:09. Too early for all that.
Yeah. But we're gonna show y'all what Bella look like, show you what this backyard looking like. Yeah, a little update before our next trip. Cause we're going on a trip. Not really.
Guys, this is Bella.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Our new little puppy. But I'm gonna let him
still
show y'all
got
the
Bruno
backyard.
out there.
Yeah, Bruno back there. He was just in the house, but we're about to go, so he had to go outside. Bella's coming with us. You gonna show them the backyard? I'm gonna go in here and get
Y'all
Bella.
already got a little sneak peek. All right, back inside real quick because Bruno won't let us be great. But show y'all a little B-roll footage of the backyard real quick. Show you what we're working with. Ouch. Here we go. That's a little sneak peek of our backyard, but y'all gonna get to see it at nighttime. Sorry for the boys' tablet in the background. Y'all gonna get to see it better at night. Don't mind my hair either.
Bye, y'all.
All right, we all in the car now.
Packed up and ready to go.
About to head down to the beach. Y'all ready? Y'all had none of them
Let's go into
tablets.
the tablets, y'all.
Take them tablets from
Let's
the
go, I'm
kids.
hungry.
All right, let's go.
I'm hungry.
All right, we just made it to the beach. Everybody got their buckets. We stopped by Walmart. Here we go.
Bella right there. She want to get down, but somebody already done tried to steal her, so she gonna stay in there. Boys out there making the scene. Cancer. Bari right here looking at Bella like, what you doing? She done got wet. She done been running around. We're just enjoying ourselves at the beach today. Nothing major. Bella is doing the most, y'all. Next time we leaving her home.
Get me and Bella back here. Ahead of the beach. Leaving the beach all sand up, all soaking wet. On our way to do something else. I can't tell you, I'm tired and hot. See y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, so it's late at night, so I'm gonna just show you how we use our, look at Bruno. I'm gonna show you how we use our backyard space. Just give y'all a little glimpse at what we look at tonight.
So our night is over. I done got ate up by mosquitoes.
Me too.
I ain't gonna tell nobody that part though. I ain't gonna tell nobody else.
We'll do something about the mosquitoes.
Yeah, but we about to put the boys, well, the boys already sleep, so we about to go to bed too.
Time.
Peace.
Peace.